think it's somewhere here. That looks good. Let's do that. Alright, so that's where we're gonna situate it. We're just gonna run the line over to that spot. We may have to turn the head a little bit so it's pointed in the right direction, but that's where it's gonna be. Alright, so we got the filler turned with our trusty AN tool. Now we just gotta insert and put a little decal on it. Alright, we're all set. Now we just gotta take her out.
3:28 a.m.
This little thing is working great. Able to step on it. And while I was doing a test run, I lost the side skirt.